we are about GC news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Eramede Bremo and the mini studio. John Dramani Mahama, NDC, one flag bearer or the Suboa boy IGP or say IGP Ebeya Wunja Awutu Senya East, one a parliamentary candidate. Na no one kochino and Ranajo and one kochi NDC for a parliamentary candidate for Awutu Senya East or no only how a in a contest ewo. Now answer namdi and sibling in Abebano. Mr. Say so when you subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say over subscribe. We are by say over click the subscribe button, you know. Now what barely notification, you know. We understand video full be upload, you know. Also what's can be. I feel we are now like video, no. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Now feel what share ama ofu froso any be a share. I feel mura and sing. And NDC one parliamentary candidate. Your friend na Koyo NDC one parliamentary candidate na police for Akocheno. Na no NDC for bebre one bu efu a chese cantonment police station. One abotwi akogu ho no ma one chese be ya yenja mami. Na mo be ka kaswa na no hawa kumse ne ba omo wo ne sekan ni nyina gina registration hu nsensem. Na no na mami ono so ewutu ono no mo kire se registration no ni din na omo kire no ebisefo so bi aba ho. Na Mahama so de kokobo ama IGP se be ya wonya no nyesa attention be ba oman mu. Na your story na abetudwan o say release Awutu Senya East PC immediately for our nation's stability. Mahama tells IGP. Just say Mahama sema waka kire IGP no say the 2024 presidential candidate for the opposition National Democratic Congress NDC John Dramani Mahama has called on the Ghana Police Service to immediately release the detained NDC parliamentary candidate for the Awutu Senya East constituency in the Central Region. The friend of Felix na koryooo Ukuno. Mr. Mahama in a Facebook post on Friday evening, June 7, said, I urge the IGP to urgently reconsider his actions and release na koryooo immediately for the sake of justice and the stability of our nation. I watch the Sebeya IGP and many Ghana police for no one in Yamami said Beya Omemu as we betimi about Omemu. News of Madam Phyllis na koryooo Ukuno detention was first published by the NDC communication officer Sammy Gyamfi. According to Mr. Gyamfi, no reason has been given for the police for the arrest and subsequent detention of Madam Phyllis na koryooo Ukuno. Na no na Kevin Taylor so de na no ato sansem ya wato to be man IGP na yesemre no yenti keti ne reaction efa ensem ya aba betudwai wa woni maame no maame fa ne phone enkyere ono no ne Hawa Kumsin a contest on an phone war screen so on a Hawa Kumsin and a contest for Awutu Senya East Hodom. Now, Yenti a year Kevin Taylor and the reaction FA a year Sassamwea Ababetu Yenti and some year KT Air Camp Fahon. Yenti a year Kevin Taylor name Sabono.
No, power kakra nipa kakra in this country, no. What you people are using it for, no? Biao. Now you see. The NDC candidate or contested how a kumsin no. Oma kochi lady no. Oma kochi lady na. Omsi lady no. Ekuta etu. Ewan kabu. Now after the police investigations no. Atrese etu na ekuta lady no. A registered gun. Omo share all documentations no. Atrese etu no. Maame no legally. Wa akwa etu. Wa register etu. And a keep etu just to protect herself. And it's not people go out there buy guns. They don't buy guns to go worship guns. People buy guns to protect themselves. Now, I see lady now all contesting how a kumsin. Awutu Senya. I hope I got it right. Sa lady no police for acheno. Police for Dampare akwachi lady no. Now Dampare uchi lady ni wie na. Ochicha the papers mu nyina no. Omu se lady no ne hu ni informso no. Right now the reason why Dampare, the IGP, from instructions from the president, you know, the Omo can say the reason why they are holding the woman or police custody say Omo de na tum anadria almost omo yin say yes woman no almost say document na chere say etuni ene dia no registration no so no ni di no e Phyllis almost spell no PHYLLIS. Now police for ne say on the document no L ba kwaira. It means to say, or no, ena wabokro no nti omache natum. Hear this. Almost some checking the documents in etuo no lawfully acquired gun registration. Why BBA police force of the natum identity almost checking document no needing the fellas and can say 2L but I 1L into a year wabokro no into match no. Mr. P, are you good with sound? But check your phone. No? Those people doing check sound checks. Check your phone, my friend. So as we sit here tonight, yachi a whole parliamentary candidate I got 2 cells. All because how Kumsin botu, how Kumsin pulled out a gun, a bonipatu. Dampare and Annan tasa fork with Dmanche how Kumsin came on radio to tell a reason. I say yes, men am tree to them boat no. How Kumsin say men am tree to no, and am boat no, or can we radio so police leave no. Dampare say enda na ju yankon kochi. Aya Phyllis, aya NDC, aya the parliamentary candidate na obe contest how Kumsin no because you see a 2 on the cam. Woman say yes, it is my gun. I have registered. May they protect me home because when you say me opponent no or a murderer or botuo on in the bano, how I come in the bano, what's kind botuo. Into the woman said, Ghana Mremono, Obia or kinds of beto to no register legally, no way use the protecting home. Police for a woman we are cells with Tianopa. Dampare me akochima me we akoshe cells. And me a transfer if you are another cells. On person did 2 months on Monday. Now, I'm checking documentations in you know. I'm say the reason why I'm keeping woman who was cells. Dampare some more can know. The reason why Dampare says he's keeping the woman in cells and say woman registration or the register gun. No. The woman is called Phyllis. Now, woman didn't not normally know a PHY, I think so, LLIS. I'm say on the registration document in 1L ba acquire. Only 1L and into the Dampare say yam fanin shemu. Dampare is crazy. So but na TV so na okoti quotation na yam time kra. Or but na TV so na why na nantane to say abobra no ma ebe kotu sa kotu na yam time kra. And he has cushioned the minds of Ghanaians or the papa. Or one of the most dangerous IGPs in Ghana. IGP or dangerous here Dampare. And pretend as if say because what was a Ghana for no do any Jimmy into IGP Dampare or play the cast to say former finance minister Kenufuriata. Now a senior police officer just texted me says the police cry alcohol registration so send it dinia spelling with 1L. The woman did not do the registration. And the Ghana Police Service and Omoma registration form. So why are you blaming the woman? This is a senior police officer from the police headquarters. And I'll catch him say, but if even there is the name of the woman was spelled wrong or wrongly, the issue here is she did not write anything on the document. And ya mo Ghana police na mo register to. Mo register to no mo na mo troye. So why are we blaming the lady, not blaming the department that registered the gun? Because they wrote it. The lady did not write anything on the document. Instead, the IGP to me, Jinasoka say, I want to put this woman in cells because how I come in fucking Akufo-Addo no. Sa how I come in the nimsa bundio no. Sa how I come in the tiwin in to tuna or Jinawa as a bonsam no. Because how I come in an agent of so botuo into Dampare is supporting how I come in to do this foolish thing. How I come in Jinawa so wawa duya. Nenum kan. How I come in Jimmy for inti. And an innocent woman, Dampare is using the law against an innocent woman. Adeng, ma me no run a report in the man. Omo mucho report so muhu ma me no nensa no ho. It is the same police that issued the report. It is the same police that issues the registration forms. It is obi a tro na say 1L. Why are you blaming the woman? Adeng ye Jimmy or Ghana sir. Why are we so foolish? What is this? What this IGP? What is this fucking problem? Dampare no nenam ho no into ono so strategy ode by and say we who say Ghana for do no a Christopher no ye Jimmy he and on our editorial meeting we were talking about this oba Ghana omo Jimmy pa do a Christopher. I'm telling you, me say oba Ghana as a nation me ya umi Christo ni o into I know what I am telling you. Oba Ghana as a nation omo Jimmy do no ye Christopher ye Jimmy or some bebre wa Ghana ebi mo Jimmy But open mo Jimmy pa a Ghana Christopher. Dodo no ye Jimmy. We allow people to just use the religion to fool us. In the history of the Republic of Ghana, Finance Minister wabokro we pa eye kenofuriata. Finance Minister yen to me criticizing or eye kenofuriata because majority of us a Christopher no kenofuriata me read you say ye Jimmy into oba pen will be a quotation. Na Christo dina awasa odwene ehun say quotation ogina so edi kenofuriata no. Na bonia kenofuriata di nyina ne refi. Where do you nyamini pa? Me say 90% of yenye Christopher wa Ghana, yenye politicians say Ghana. Because we will pick the Bible. And you see, let me tell you, I'm a Christian. But there's one thing that it makes the Islamic religion unique from Christian religion. You know why? I'm sure. I cannot sit here and say, religions perfectly. I won't tell you that. But if there's one thing I have realized, in chromosome ana Quran, you can try and twist some things to favor you to do something that pleases you, not Allah. But it is tough for you to get easy access and use it easily because the word in the Quran, whether the word of Allah and the Prophet Muhammad, peace be unto him, you might try to twist it to help your one kind of parochial interest to be idea be it is tough. You might be able to succeed in twisting some words to, at the end of the day, align with one kasa the opesa way. And I'm not going to say people haven't tried. Some people have tried to use some words in the Quran to twist it or to turn it around to favor them. But you see, it is hard. It is hard because the people who are in that religion make sure when the word in the Quran says Muhammad met this man, it is Muhammad met this man. When they went to Mecca, it is when they went to Mecca. They have tried consistently to hold the words the way they are originally. Whether you believe it or not, they have been able to hold that. You see, Yenye Christopher, Sa Bible ne kutaye no. We are able to use the Bible to do a lot of damage. Bible, 99% of words or Bible mu. Yenye Christopher ne didi bone. Christo ni di nkwasiasem odi bone na wochena. Bible na ewosanka etiano no. No asa koyi quotation with the same Bible nim. No da beka kire wo say. Sa Bible na kire ne said yo ye no eye. Our problem as a nation, with all due respect, Ghana problem kasi pa ye nye Christopher ye Ghana ye Jimmy ye mubi. I'm telling you. And it's a what study. Majority of politicians are running a use Ghana. They always use majority of the Christians. That's how it works. So be free cinema and just automatically or incredible for the doa Ghana does change for. You need to get that right. You will for and you won't crib for. It means why you say ceremony be in cremo a some a religion. And a ceremony, because a ceremony, with all due respect, obia ofori in the north. You get what I mean? And what is happening in Ghana, and I say, you see somebody like Dampare, what could the bonne crana ye be a committee or tea no not was starting the quotation in Xiao? Because when you say the foolish masses, the foolish so-called Christians, and the Christians who know the truth and always use the Bible to cover their lies, criminality, they will side with him. In this way, study Christopher, who compared a Christian religion and the Islamic religion, the Bible has become a tool. And they able to match a software. You able to match a software. Software will rape you be. Sa Bible ne kutano no or the Bible no beka kire wo say Bible no kan wa ha say we do oya entia bone. I just say the way our judiciary has turned. Ghana judiciary is now like the Holy Bible. The judiciary we have today in Ghana is like the Holy Bible. From the Supreme Court to the last court in Ghana, they decide which part they have to take to support their case. It is a West study Ghana judiciary. And they are court for election petition. Near UK, near for blue book, black book. Near the Abba judge Ghana election petition. And the Eura court na Attorney General Eddie Bonnet near him say, Emrani say Attorney General ethics rules regulations so we di Bonnet near Gina Swaka says Sabon Attorney General D, you know, we di Bonnet cry on Sanko headquarters for from Koyina Huano. So you see, the problem with Ghana, any religion, a Christian religion majority. I will not stand here and say Obi Oyenkri would be perfect. I will be a fool to say that. But I am showing you, baby, a lot of our problems a free bar. That is the issue. Inti Ushe die Asia Nigeria, me yes sure say obi to work say Dampare die me penase mo one die wa unim asori no die chire or kasana quotation me yi Dampare so me IGP because of Bible because anya Bible Christopher nkwa na Ghana ye onkrimofo Ghana ye wa bosomsom for Ghana ye omukro nsum bibia o Ghana. Inti do not tell me say because we do inti you have control over anything, everything. Into Dampare, no, strategically, he's using the Kenufurata strategy. Yanka Dampare by the most corrupt IGP in the history of the Republic of Ghana, Dampare. All the things that has happened under this guy, Sanka you will be fufrobia, Sebio on sorry them, and find a home for the politics, any software, and Kadiabayan or Ghana. No. But you see, majority of a software to me Dampare. Because Dampare mama gina you almost sell come. It's when you pick the big and sorry I can see Ghana, they all align with Dampare. So Dampare Bonia Yenka. How can you go and arrest somebody and tell the person say, oh yeah, a potential parliamentary member, oh yeah, parliamentary candidate, ya bet you documents that say a 20 kutana wow dia. Mempese me release you adentra. Oh, udin nanko say 2L, a 1L, intimeche watum. The question is, did the Phyllis woman, did she write her own report about the gun? Did she register the gun herself? You people registered the gun and gave her documents. So why are you not holding the office that misspelled her name or put the, because until you prove to me that the lady created the forms herself, which you have not said. You are saying the form is legit. Nanso ni dini ya spelling ye into ochen wa bodam. We are kwasia. Sani ya chichiri kuru. Sani ya chichiri mai.
You waiting for winning and some of KT editu ganing na NDC one parliamentary candidate a police for Akufo-Addo ono na wo Awutu Senya East one Hawakum na stand e wo ho na koye ensem bebre Mahama so the statement about bontia NDC for na botwi akogina East Cantonment police station wana kugu ho wana chese be ya police for warija mami your friend Phyllis na koyo okuno ono no ne Hawakum na eno na Sammy Gyamfi beka say Hawakum kuro ko botu kura no ya che no na mami we o botu adenti na wana che mami na ye kemtila edi ensem do nara na atudwa because GC News so na wo hwe no se wunya subscribe ya message say over subscribe no I like it na wa share video no ma ofoforo so enye bi ahwe mo fanche me ene de me studio ti me sound no ti twitwitwi wo ma mo fanche me because GC News so na wo hwe no se wunya subscribe ya message say over subscribe no I like it na wa share video no oso betimi akire wadwen afa ye ensem wo nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo beti me nka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.